Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description for beginners. Family enjoying outdoors. The picture shows a family of 4 outdoors. A boy is happily eating ice cream. A young girl is drinking water from a bottle. The father is wearing sunglasses and a red cap. The mother is also wearing sunglasses and a pink shirt. The family looks cheerful and relaxed. The father is holding a water bottle in one hand. He appears to be chatting with his son. The mother is adjusting her sunglasses while smiling. The girl has blonde hair and a striped shirt. The boy is wearing a blue shirt and holding his ice cream. They are standing in a sunny park. The bright sun is shining in the sky. The background has buildings and greenery. The family is enjoying a sunny day together. There are some clouds in the sky. The father has a backpack, indicating a family outing. The girl seems focused on her water bottle. The park has flowers visible in the grass. The mother is holding a backpack on her shoulder. The boy seems to be enjoying his treat. The overall vibe is happy and summery. The family is well dressed for a casual day out. The sun appears to be high in the sky. The children are standing close to their parents. The father seems to be sharing a funny moment with the boy. The setting reflects a peaceful urban park environment. Everyone looks hydrated and comfortable. The bright colors and smiling faces add positivity to the image. It captures a wholesome family moment. Correct the incorrect sentences. Correct answers are given at the end of the video. The boy is drinking water. The father is wearing a green cap. The mother is wearing a hat. The girl is eating ice cream. The family is standing at a beach. There is a forest in the background. The sky is cloudy and dark. The father is holding a camera. The boy is wearing a striped shirt. The family looks bored and tired. Subscribe the channel for more videos.